Good morning, on and all present here. I am Nandini D, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today we are going to see a case study video on data analytics on the topic how a social media is known to us with the help of a sentimental analysis. So today we can discuss on the topic. So how we understand from the customer emotions or how we use day-to-day social medias for this sentimental analysis. So what are the social medias we are using nowadays or many? First one you can say as Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Daily days we are using this mainly often. So in real time how this one is used as a brand for sentimental analysis and how we are solving these problems we can see with the help of the students.
So before understanding about the problem definition, let's see about what is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis is the analyzing the emotions from social media, like social media uses like text, comments, posts, etc. So first let's take an example. For example, a company is releasing a new mobile model and people are buying it and giving reviews about it in social medias like Twitter, Instagram and many social media. So manually people can't company can't one by one they cannot analyze each and every comment. So for that they are using sentiment analysis. So by using sentiment analysis on social media we can find the overall customer review.
So what type of social medias or in social media what type of data can be collected in form of sentimental analysis?
So we can collect text, images and reviews. Text in the form of like we are users are providing comments and images are posts, like that we can collect data from social media.
That is correct.
Stool. Data collection and cleaning. How the data is gathered and prepared by the overall data that are collected from the Twitter, Insta and every social media platform. While using Twitter, all the data are collected to Twitter API like tweets, hashtags, replays and etc. which has we can segregate the data as positive and negatives. Then remove noise, emojis, special characters and repeated words for the further development of the further segregation of the data. At last, filtered filter the post mentioning the healing issues. For example, the positive reviews, negative reviews and the neutral reviews. According to that we can segregate the data and label data to the given condition, like hashtags, mentioning the particular hashtags and etc. We can segregate the data based on the hashtags and likes, even the comments.
So with the help of sentimental analysis, how a data cleaning is done in this one?
Data cleaning is very much for sentimental analysis before running that because it stores many junk files. In sentimental analysis we need a certain amount of data only, but that many amount of data is there, though that is extra space occupying. So that's why we clean the data, and before running the sentimental analysis we clean the data and export that to that analysis.
Next.
Sentimental analysis technique. Let's see how the model analysis, sentimental analysis works. First, it uses the NLP, natural language processing. It is based on machine learning. So with the help of that NLP, we use the sentimental analysis accurately. Second, algorithm identified whether sentimental analysis technique. Here, how the model analysis sentimental works. Firstly, we use the NLP, natural language processing. It is based on machine learning, used to process the sentimental analysis performance higher. Algorithm defined whether a tweet expressed anger, sadness or satisfaction. Based on that analysis works. Detected 63% of tweets were negative related to battery heating or the battery issues. Identify most common keywords are overheating, battery drain, heat issue, charging issues, etc.
So, what are some common techniques we can use in sentimental analysis?
So the common technique used in sentiment analysis are machine learning techniques.
That is correct.
Action. So, how a sentimental analysis is used to develop the business actions? There are several decision making moments like this. Company. So, okay. Sentimental analysis is how used in business action. I'm going to say about that. So, most of the company realize the problems faced by gamers are heating issues. So, insights and business actions. So, most of the companies realize that most of the gamers are facing the problems are heating issues. So, for reducing the heating issues, they are updating patch updates like to reduce the high brightness and CPU overload. It drops the problems that most of the gamers using by 40% in a week.
So, how can a company measure the importance of fixing that error?
By collecting multiple feedbacks from the user, we can improve our company measures.
So, with the help of this case study, we can understand how a sentimental analysis helps in a company to track back their records, data have been easily collected. So, it is a powerful tool for real time to take decisions. Thank you so much.